ChatGPT for macOS: how to install, use, and master your AI assistant. How to download and install ChatGPT for Mac. Go to the official ChatGPT app download page. Under the For Desktop section, click the Download for macOS button. This will download the ChatGPT installer. Once the download is complete, open the downloaded DMG file. Follow the instructions to install the app. When the ChatGPT app launches, log in with your ChatGPT account. If you don't have an account, you can also log in with Google or sign up with an email. After logging in, the ChatGPT window will open, and you can start interacting with it. Before moving to the next step, we would like to recommend Combo Cleaner. To keep your device running smoothly, avoid malware infections, and free up disk space, we recommend using Combo Cleaner. Available for Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. Download and install it today at combocleaner.com. Grab our limited deal for Windows and Mac users. Use the coupon code PCRISK30 for 30% off at the checkout. How to have fast access to ChatGPT on your Mac. Just drag the app to your dock, and you'll always have it ready to click. Press the Option plus space keys on your keyboard to instantly bring up the chat bar. The app needs to be opened in the background. How to ask ChatGPT questions. First, open the ChatGPT app on your Mac. Think of a question you need help with. It can be anything from general knowledge, cooking recipes, or even ideas for a presentation. After typing your question, press the return key. ChatGPT will respond with a helpful answer. How to take a screenshot with ChatGPT on Mac. Launch the ChatGPT app on your Mac. Click on the paper clip icon. The app will ask for permission to take screenshots. Click Open System Settings. Toggle the switch next to ChatGPT to enable it. Enter your password to authorize the changes and restart the ChatGPT app as prompted. After restarting, click on the paper clip icon. From the list, choose Take Screenshot. You can select to capture a specific app or the entire screen based on your needs. The screenshot will be attached automatically to the ChatGPT window. You can now ask ChatGPT questions about the content in the screenshot. How to upload files to ChatGPT on Mac. Open ChatGPT and click on the Attach icon. If you want to upload a photo, click on Upload Photo. For other files, click on Upload File. Find and select the file you want to upload. The file will be attached to your ChatGPT query box. You can then ask a relevant question about the file you uploaded. How to start voice conversations with ChatGPT on Mac. Open the ChatGPT app. Click on the headphone icon to set up the chat with voice feature. Click on Choose a Voice. The app will show you several voice options. Once you decide, select the voice you want and click Confirm. Click the Allow button to let the ChatGPT app access your microphone. Now you can talk to ChatGPT and ask questions. How to start a temporary chat in ChatGPT on Mac. Launch the ChatGPT app from the dock or the menu bar on your Mac. Click on ChatGPT in the menu and turn on the toggle next to Temporary Chat. Once enabled, the app will show a temporary chat window. You can start chatting here. None of your conversations will be saved. How to view chat history and search conversations in ChatGPT on Mac. Launch the ChatGPT app from the dock or the menu bar. Click on the sidebar icon at the top of the app. Click on any conversation to open and view it. How to delete your ChatGPT conversations on Mac. Open the ChatGPT app and go to Conversation History. Click on the conversation you want to delete. From the options that appear, select Delete. When the warning message appears, click Delete again to confirm. To delete all conversations, go to ChatGPT and select Settings. Under Account Settings, click Data Controls. Select Delete all chats. Click Confirm to permanently delete all your chat history. To keep your Mac clutter and virus-free, download the Combo Cleaner. With the real-time protection feature, Combo Cleaner continuously scans your Mac for potential infections and stops them before they spread. With the anti-malware scanner, check for malicious software infections and advertising-supported software. The Disk Cleaner will scan Mac for application cache, logs, browser data, and other useless files that can be safely removed to regain valuable disk space. It will also show you how much space what files take up in storage. With Combo Cleaner you can look through all big files with ease and delete the ones you don't need. You can also scan for duplicate files. Sometimes you might not know that you have a few copies of the same file. With Privacy Scanner, eliminate data stored when browsing the internet, including cookies, history, cache, and other files that can reveal your private information. The Uninstaller feature allows you to find hidden components of applications and uninstall them from your Mac completely with just a couple of clicks. Use the Combo Cleaner AI chatbot to ask questions or upload images related to cybersecurity. It will analyze your provided information and reply with valuable insights. For example, you can ask a question about cybersecurity or upload a screenshot of an email, and it will determine if it's a scam or not. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.